Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize 1Password in Safari on iPhone, full guide step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the 1Password app. Tap on the 1Password icon to launch the app. Enter your master password to access your vault. Once inside, navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Autofill option. Tap on Autofill to access the autofill settings. Ensure that the Safari option is enabled. If it is not enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. Exit the 1Password app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Passwords. Tap on Autofill Passwords. Here, you will see an option for autofill. Next, you should see 1Password listed under the Allow Filling From section. Enable the toggle next to 1Password. Open Safari on your iPhone. Navigate to a website where you have an account. When prompted for your login information, tap on the text field. A prompt should appear suggesting 1Password as a login option. Select 1Password from the list. You may need to enter your biometrics or master password for confirmation. After that, your saved credentials should autofill in the login fields. If you encounter any issues, return to the 1Password app and ensure everything is correctly set up. Now you are ready to use 1Password for secure logins in Safari. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.